Hi, welcome to Buddha's meditation, and today we will learn about eightfold path of Lord Buddha. So, it's eightfold path will take you to freedom from suffering, and also if you want, you can take it to the enlightenment or nirvana, whatever you say. So basically, eightfold path helps you become free from all kind of suffering. So there are eight steps you need to take. The first one is have right view. So so focus on the right thing, what is, you know what is right, and try to do right thing. Okay, so your focus should be right. Okay, your understanding should be right. Okay, the second path is uh, right thought. You should have right kind of thought. Okay, you cannot keep on thinking negative, okay, or bad, but you should have good and pure thought most of the time. Okay, first of all, your focus should be right. Okay, where your view, you look at good things, even good and bad also. And the second one is your thought. So you should have pure and uh, right thought. Third one is you should speak right. Okay, try to speak such a way that people should love you, people should like you. It should not be irritating. Don't use wrong or bad language in your life. Okay, so this is the third one. Fourth one is the right action. You should take a right action in order to betterment of all the lives in the world. Okay, so you should take the right action. Even if you don't do better for others, do better for yourself, but the action should be right. It should not harm other people. Okay, you should not take advantage of other people. Okay, fifth is livelihood. Now you should earn your livelihood in a right way. Okay, it should not involve harming other people or other being killing. This should not be involved when you go to earn your livelihood. Sixth, sixth one is right effort. So you should put in right effort to grow in your life. Okay. So Buddha never said that you become a monk only, then only okay you get nirvana. No. You whatever you do, do hard work to grow in your life. Okay, put effort. Okay, put effort. Even if you want to grow in this path of meditation, you should put your effort in this. Okay, right effort. So if you are doing meditation in the morning and you are not able to do, then do in the afternoon, and you do in the evening. Whenever you get the time, you do it. Seventh is right mindfulness. So right mindfulness will bring you more concentration, and your mind will become stronger and stronger. Okay, so do the right mindfulness. Be mindful of what is right. Okay, be mindful and don't think negative thought. Okay, and eighth and final one is samadhi. Now samadhi is the deeper level of meditation or mindfulness, where you are sitting for on a meditation for longer period of time, say one whole day or 6 hours, 7 hours. So slowly you should increase the timing of your meditation and go in samadhi. Now in samadhi, what happens is you don't be aware of your body or your mind or what you are seeing and what is seeing. So whatever you are sitting, and then you are not aware of even time, for how long you are sitting. You are not even aware of what you are doing, whether you are meditating, whatever you are is coming in front of you. You are just aware and aware and aware, and you are not at all aware of the outside world. You are just aware of the inside, what is going on. Okay, you forget the time, what is the time, for how many hours you are sitting. So when you practice this and when you grow on this path, what happens is after a few times you will start experiencing, like you sat for 6 hours for meditation, and you thought like just 10 minutes you have sat. So this kind of experiences will start coming, and it doesn't take longer. All you need is keep practicing. Okay, the techniques which you are going to learn, if you practice this, results are very very fast on this path. Okay, so it doesn't take much time, but you should have faith and belief, and don't rush why I'm not getting the result. You have to just keep on doing for a year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 6 year, you will get the result. Okay, and you will have to do it more and more. So you have to do more and more meditation, and then only you will start experiencing samadhi. And once you go in samadhi, okay, then you start experiencing all the things which you want, all the reason why you are having suffering, and also you will know the formula how to get rid of it. You will know the truth why this world is running and why what is behind it, and you will become one with it. Who is running the world, you'll become one with it, and then there will be no more suffering for you in your life. Okay, so let's meet in the next lesson where we will discuss about the techniques of meditation, and try to follow the eightfold path of Buddhas. Whatever you can do, try to do it, because that will help you meditate more and more deeply. Okay, so eightfold path, if you follow, then your more meditation will go more and more deeper. That's the benefit you will get out of following the eightfold path of Buddha. Okay, so let's meet in the next lesson where we will discuss about tools and techniques of scientist Buddha.